How do I transfer my Apex Legends account from PS4 to PC?
Hello everyone, in today's guide, we're going to walk through the process of transferring your Apex Legends account from a PS4 to a PC. If you're looking to switch platforms and maintain your hard-earned progress, this guide will assist you through every step of the process.
Can you directly transfer your Apex Legends account?
To start with, it's important to clarify that Apex Legends does not currently support direct account transfers or cross-progression. This means you cannot directly transfer all your skins, stats, and rank from PS4 to PC or vice versa. However, there are some workarounds to use the same EA account on both platforms, and we'll cover this in the next section.
Linking your PS4 account to your EA account.
In order to utilize the same EA account on both platforms, you need to ensure your PS4 account is linked to your EA account. Follow the steps below. 1. Turn on your PS4 and go to the main menu. 2. Open the Apex Legends game. 3. When you arrive at the title screen, look for a sign-in option for your EA account. If you don't see one, you may need to start a game and then exit for the sign-in prompt to appear. 4. Sign in to your EA account. 5. Once signed in, your PS4 account is now linked to your EA account. This means any progress on the PS4 version of Apex Legends is tied to your EA account.
Linking your PC account to your EA account.
Now that your PS4 account is linked to your EA account, you need to do the same with your PC account. 1. Install the Origin client on your PC and open it. 2. Sign in with the same EA account you used for PS4. 3. Download and install Apex Legends. 4. When you launch the game, you will be signed in with your EA account. Please note that while you can access the same EA account on both platforms, your progression, skins, and rank will not carry over. This is due to the current limitations set by the game developers. It's a bit unfortunate that Apex Legends does not currently support cross-progression or direct account transfer. Until that feature is implemented, we'll have to work with the existing system. We hope this guide has been helpful for those of you who wish to play Apex Legends on multiple platforms. Remember to always sign in to your EA account on both platforms to ensure you're accessing the same account. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your gaming.